Konnichiwa! Hello everyone, Jade here and welcome to Ato Kateriaro or Arts of Katerial. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys the 2.0 version of my previous art collections, Precious Moments with You. And today, ang papakita ko sa inyo is yung Precious Moments with You at the countryside at saka yung Dream House. So, if you're interested, please send me a message because these arts will be personalized. It means to say, kapag nag-order kayo, the same ang art concept but the design may be different from the other client because ibabagay natin sa personality ninyo, ibabagay natin sa bahay nyo, at ibabagay natin sa wall or ng office or kung saang establishment nyo gustong ilagay ang art at a very, unique perspective way. Okay. Number one is this one. Ayan. What you see is what you get. O, diba? Hindi siya yung tipong rectangular or square. Ngayon, gagamit tayo ng oval shape. Yan. So, ang gaan nito siya, guys, kasi made of paper. Actually, it's a paper plate and then ginawan ko siya ng twist para maganda naman or masaya yung ating kitchen or ating establishment, diba? So, anytime hindi nyo na kailangan ng pupukpukin siya ng nails because all you have to do is yung tape. So kahit saan pwede siyang ma-transfer without destroying the wall of your home or your office. And of course, ayan, ito naman siya yung Precious Moments with You Dream House. So guys, if you are interested to own these arts, please send me a message because I'm very willing to share it with you at a very affordable cost. And of course, everything na malilikom sa arts ko I will be used for to help also other people that needs financial help in Davao City. So this is Jade and see you soon in Davao. Thank you so much.